Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope so all of you are well and fine and enjoying all of my videos. In today's video, I am sharing with you a very attractive and beautiful border edge pattern, and this is a super beginner friendly pattern containing 2 stitches, single crochet stitch and a double crochet stitch, and you can skip single crochet stitch pattern as well if you want, but double crochet stitch pattern is necessary for this border edge design. So for this crochet project I am using a 4mm crochet hook and this line brand yarn. This is a 3-ply yarn. So first of all we are going to make a slip knot like this. Now with the help of crochet hook we are going to make chains. For this pattern you need multiples of 4 chain pattern. So make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In this way we will make a few more chains. So I have made 24 chains for this project, and for the pattern you need multiple of 4 plus 2 more chains. So I am making chain 1 and chain 2. Now to start the row we are going to make one more chain. So make this chain and we are going to work in this second chain. So pull the yarn through this chain like this, and we have 2 loops on our hook. Pull the yarn through these 2 loops together. This is called a single crochet stitch. Now go into the next chain, draw up a loop, pull the yarn through 2 loops. This is called single crochet. So in every chain we are going to make a single crochet stitch like this. For this pattern this is optional. You can make a single crochet stitch to get fine edging, or you can skip single crochet stitch pattern as well and start the second row on base chain directly, which will be made with a double crochet stitch. So that's up to you. I am making a single crochet stitch row. So make single crochet stitches till the end. I have made all single crochet stitches here. First row is completed. For the second row we are going to make a double crochet stitch pattern. So make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3. These 3 chains will be counted as a double crochet stitch. And now we are going to make one more chain. Turn up the work. We have made chain 3 for this stitch, so we are going to skip this one, and we have made chain 1, so we are going to skip this second stitch as well, and we are going to work into the third one. So in this third stitch we are going to make a double crochet stitch. So to make a double crochet stitch, first of all we are going to wrap the yarn around crochet hook like this. Go into this third stitch, draw up a loop. We have 3 loops on our crochet hook. Pull the yarn through first 2 loops, pull the yarn through other 2 loops to make a double crochet. You can see the pattern here. Now into the next stitch we are going to make double crochet again. Pull the yarn through 2 loops and then pull the yarn through other 2 loops. Make double crochet stitch into the third stitch as well. Here is the set of 3 double crochet stitches. We are going to make chain 1 again for the pattern. So make chain 1, skip 1 stitch into the next stitch. We are going to make double crochet, double crochet, 1, double crochet 2 into the next stitch, and double crochet 3 into the next one. Now chain 1 again, double crochet, skip 1 stitch, double crochet into the next one. So this is our pattern, 3 double crochet stitches and chain 1 pattern, repeated till the end. So I have made double crochet part. Here we have 2 stitches left. Make chain 1 and then our last double crochet stitch in this last single crochet stitch here. So our second row is also completed. This is how it looks like. We are going to make our final border row. So make chain 1, turn up the work, make a single crochet in this very first double crochet stitch. Then we are going to make a single crochet in this chain 1 space. So now make chain 1, chain 2, and we are going to make double crochet here in this chain 1 space 2 times. So this is second double crochet stitch. Now we are not going to work in these double crochet stitches, we are only going to work in chain 1 space. So now make a single crochet stitch in this chain 1 space. A little bump like border is made. This is the first one. Now I am going to show you how to make the second one. Again make 2 chains and we are going to make 2 double crochet stitches in this same chain 1 space, double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 into the same chain 1 space, and after that we are going to make a single crochet in the next chain 1 space. Again I will show you the same process. Make 2 chains, make 2 double crochet stitches into this same chain 1 space and then make a single crochet into the next chain 1 space. So this is our border pattern. Repeat it till the end. So in the end make a single crochet in this chain 1 space and then we will make a single crochet in this third chain, 1 2, and this is third one. In this third chain make a single crochet and our pattern is completed. So this is super nice and beginner friendly border pattern which is very lovely. You can make it on different crochet products. You can make it on your cardigans, sweater edges can be made with this, and you can make this border pattern on different shawls as well, and this can be made on blankets as well, and you can make them on different fabric table runners as well if you want. So these are all different ideas of using this border pattern. I hope you guys like this tutorial video. If you like it, give it big thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you are new. So press the red subscribe button. After that, press the bell icon and then all option as well to get notifications of future uploads from this channel. So stay connected, share this video with crochet lovers. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye.